Hey guys, this is Hope. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover a permanently deleted file from your Windows 11 operating system. So, let's say you have deleted some file from your Windows 11 folder and you have also emptied your recycle bin. It's not even there in the recycle bin. How you can recover that file or picture? Let's see. What you need to do is you need to go to this URL, which is https://www.cgsecurity.org/wiki/testdisk_download. I'm going to put this link in the description of this video so you can directly click on this link. And this is a free software which you can download and use it to recover your photos and files. When you will scroll down, you will see the option for Windows 32-bit and Windows 64-bit. And if you are running Windows 11, most probably it's a 64-bit operating system. So, you can click on this Windows 64-bit option. And once you click on this zip file link, you can see this zip file is downloaded. We are going to go to the location where this zip file is downloaded, which is here. So, we are going to just extract this zip file. I'm going to right-click here and then click on Extract All. And then you can extract this file anywhere you want. I will extract this folder in the Downloads folder itself, but you can extract this at your desired location. Now you can see this folder has been extracted, and let's go inside this extracted folder. Once you are inside this test disk-7.2-whip folder, you will see two executable files here. One is called photorag_win.exe file. When you click on this option, it's going to show you the command line tool. If you are a fan of command line tool, you can use this command line tool. So, you can see it's going to look like this. But if you are not a fan of command line tool like me, I like to use the second exe file with the name qphotorag_win.exe file. Just click on this second exe file and I'm going to just open this GUI. The graphical user interface will look like this. It resides in my C drive. Now I will go to this Photorack GUI and select my C drive. This first option here is your C drive. You can just make sure the size of your drive. In my case, my drive size is 953 gigabytes, and that's how I know that it's my C drive. I also have D drive. You can see when I go to my PC, I have this local disk and I have this D drive. I'm going to select the first option. I'm going to select my C drive and then I will click on the Browse option and then I can select any folder where I want to save the recovered files. By default, it's going to open the same folder where you have extracted this utility. Let's say I want to recover all these files on my desktop, and here I'm going to create a new folder and I'm going to name it as Recover Folder. And then I'm going to go inside this folder and then select this folder. You can see it's on my desktop and I have created this Recover folder. You can see I have selected the destination folder where I want all the recovered files to be saved. And then in this menu we have already selected the C drive and you will see all these options here. I can select the whole disk option here, which is the first option. Make sure you select the whole disk option if you want to recover files from the whole disk. If you want to narrow your search, then you can choose the other options here. I'm going to just choose the whole disk. I have also deleted many other files from my Windows operating system. It's going to recover all these files. So, the only thing now remaining here is, let's say I want to go to my desktop and go to this Recover folder, and I will just do this side by side so you can see the progress. I have selected C drive. I have chosen the whole disk option, which is the first option. I have provided the recovery destination, and I have opened that destination here, which is empty for now. And now I'm going to click on Search. When I click on Search, it's going to start the search of all the deleted files, and you will see the list here. So, how many exe file it has recovered, how many TTF files, reg files, it's recovering slowly all the files. Basically, it's going to create one directory in your recovery folder. And then when you go inside that folder, it's going to recover all the files in that folder. Most of these files are DLL files, and the TX file, GZ files, all these files are here. You can see all these files are recovered. You can see the process right now. The JPG files are recovered, PNG files are recovered. Right now it has only scanned and recovered files in this short period of time. But when you let it run for a longer period of time, so it can take hours to recover all the files which are deleted. Just wait for this progress bar to reach to the 100% mark and all of your files will be recovered in this Recover folder which you have created and provided as the destination folder. That's it, guys. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more contents, and also switch on the notification bell to be informed when next we post. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.